The Pixel 9 Pro is set to release and similar to the Pixel 8 Pro. It boasts significant upgrades that justify its price. So, without any further ado, let's get started. The Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL shares a similar design, with the primary difference being the larger size of Pixel 9 Pro XL. The design language remains distinctly Pixel, diverging from Apple's approach of releasing multiple models with identical designs. Instead, Google updated the camera bump and overall design annually. Personally, I find the design appealing. The camera bump features a triple camera setup, which we will discuss shortly, along with a flashlight and a thermal temperature sensor. The power button is located on the top side, while the volume controls are at the bottom, which make it more handier. The Pixel 9 Pro will feature an LTPO OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 support, ensuring an exceptional multimedia experience. The display measures 6.34 inches with a resolution of 1280 by 2856 pixel, an aspect ratio of 20 by 9, and a pixel density of 494 ppi. For protection, the display is equipped with a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Additionally, it includes an always-on display feature. The bezels are thin, and the front houses 50 megapixel selfie camera. There have been varying reports about the main camera, some sourcing listing as 42 megapixel, some other companies are 50 megapixel, while we have to wait for the official launch to confirm these details. The phone will be equipped with Google Tensor G4 chipset, which is a 4nm chipset, and it will come with Android 15 pre-installed. Google promises 7 years of Android updates, which is a significant advantage. Regarding the memory, the phone will be available in 12 and 16 gigs of variant, with the storage option of 256, 512 and 1TB, all utilizing 4.0 technology. Let's discuss about the camera features of the phone. It boasts a sophisticated camera setup with 50 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel telephoto, and a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, along with a 50 megapixel front-facing camera. The rear camera includes 50 megapixel telephoto lens with optical zoom and optical image stabilization. Additional features include dual LED flash, pixel shift, and advanced hardware capabilities. As you know, the picture quality of Pixel phones are unparalleled, capturing excellent photo in almost every scenario. On the video side, the phone supports 4K video at 60 frames per second and 1080p video at 240 frames per second with HDR10 enabled. The front-facing camera also supports 4K video at 60 frames per second and 1080p video at 60 frames per second. Let's talk about some extra features. The phone supports stereo speakers, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 6, USB 3.2, and under-display fingerprint sensor, a thermometer skin sensor, which I already have mentioned before. Pixel 9 Pro fall buyers will receive 1 year Google One Premium plan, 6 months of Fitbit Premium, and 3 months of YouTube Premium. These offers are available for purchase of Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pro XL, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold made before October 31, 2025, with these Fitbit and YouTube Premium offers extending to 31 December 2025. Essentially, these freebies covers the entire life cycle of Pixel 9 series. Google aims to ensure that every Pixel 9 consumer can fully utilize Gemini on their devices. This includes 1 year of Google One AI Premium plan featuring Gemini Advanced and 2TB of Google One storage for Gmail, for photos, videos, and documents and more, valued $19.99 per month. This is a substitutional for new Pixel 9 Pro models. Personally, I think if the phone does not have a good hardware and can beat this year flagships, these freebies and other stuff does not matter. Battery. Now let's discuss about the battery capabilities of the phone. It features 4600 mAh battery, which is 30-watt wired charging. This allows the battery to reach 50% charge in approximately 30 minutes. While the 30% seems slow compared to these new standards, it is comparable to the charging speed offered by both Samsung and iPhone devices. This moderate charging speed can be beneficial for battery longevity as it reduces the risk of overheating and extend the overall lifespan of the battery. Additionally, the phone supports Power Delivery 3.0, enabling efficient and reliable charging. It also offers 23-watt wireless charging, providing a convenient cable-free experience. Furthermore, the phone includes reverse wireless charging, allow you to charge other compatible devices using your phone as a power source. These versatile charging options ensure that you remain powered up throughout the day, regardless of these situations. I cover as much as I can in this video, and the price of the Pixel 9 series you can see on the screen, and that's it for the video. I hope you like it, and if you do a like and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate the support. Take care. Bye.